Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My name is Suleiman Yahya Gabo. They totally call me Gabo Genius. Today I'm here to teach you how artificial intelligence works, how artificial machine works. Okay. Before we kindly enter this course, we need something from you. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. Let's go in. First, artificial intelligence, intelligent by machine. Uh, let's focus on what is artificial intelligence. When we said artificial intelligence, is the stimulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer system. Specific application of AI include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine version. Uh, we have a lot, like chatbot, uh, let's say eyes recognition, etc. Uh, Machine learning. uh, when you say machine learning, it works as the harm around AI as acceleration. Vector have and scrambling to promote how their product and service use AI. Let's go to the next slide. Let's see what is the next action. We say a types of digital programming is perform tasks according to human intelligence like robot. Like how I say, robot is a machine for artificial intelligence. E.g., we have nowadays we are so many organization, companies, banking system. They are using artificial intelligence. Intelligent, let's say intelligent, like when you go to airport, many airport, uh, uh, you will see artificial intelligence machine. They will assess you. They say, how you customer, how can I help you, kaza kaza, etc. That anyone derive information from a raw data. Mathematical question can be solved using AI tools. Like how I say, we have artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence tools like let's say uh, writing. We have artificial intelligence software that will write a topic, content, etc. for you for free. You will just write the topic you need, and it will actually generate exact topic you need. That is artificial intelligence. We have speech recognition. When you speech, it will recognize what you said, and give you in a sentence. Let's say I said, "Hello, how you doing?" It will write it at top. You said, "Hello, how you doing?" That is speech recognition. And we have text generation. We have image removal, image editing, etc. They are all kind of artificial intelligence software. Many apps direct you towards recommendation which is based on artificial intelligence. We have many applications, let's say like Google Translation, Google Google Map. They are all artificial intelligence tools, artificial intelligence application. Let's go to another slide. We said abilities. Discover meaning. It can give reasons. Generalize and learn from past experience. Give guidance towards any process. When we said it can give reason, artificial intelligence, you can chat with artificial intelligence, you can communicate with artificial intelligence, and it can you can talk to artificial intelligence and recognize what you said and reply to you exact what you mean. Like let's say I said hi artificial intelligence machine. It can say to me, how you doing? Hi, what are you doing? Etc. Discover meaning. It will discover what you said and what you mean. That's what it means. Give guidance towards any process. It guides you. Let's say, like what I said before. When you go to airport, it guides you and asks you what do you want to do, and it will guide you there. Generalize and learn from the past experience. It will generalize, learn you from past something that it you will learn past with your experience. That is, we can say that artificial intelligence attends the vast characteristics of human expert to perform complex tasks in seconds. Uh, let's go to another slide. We said method of AI. We have bottom up method, and we have connectionist method and symbolic method. Let's go to bottom up. Bottom up is mean. This also referred to as the bottom up approach. Focus on linking more fundamental brain cells. When we said bottom up method, bottom up method means it focus on human brain, how human being think and how human being works. Uh, Artificial intelligence machine know how they usually think like a human being and act like a human being. That's what bottom up method mean. And let's go to a symbolic method. The symbolic method also refer as the top down strategy initiated intelligent without taking into account the organic makeup of the human brain. Like how I said, strategy intelligent without taking account of organic makeup. Artificial intelligence, it works intelligently. Uh, Acts, let's say I have a robot, and the robot is uh, I can give the robot tasks. I said, let's say I create a robotic machine. The one can easily type and 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 know more about how typing is actually used. Let's say I give him a note. I said write this note for me. It will first focus on the write up I done and know how she will apply intelligent and write the note for it. Let's go to the connectionist methods. On the other hand, focus on building natural network by replicating the biological composition of the human brain. All methods are talking about human brain, and so on and so on and so on. When we said human brain is actually natural brain.